A pre-owned 2015 Jeep Renegade. 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude Adventure with attitude. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and transmission. This Jeep has less than 97,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude, the bold, sassy SUV ready to spice up your drive. Powered by a zippy 2.4L i4 engine delivering 180 horsepower and 175 lb-ft of torque, it's got the muscle to match its style. With a sleek Glacier Metallic exterior and comfy gray cloth interior, you'll cruise in comfort and confidence. Clocking in under 97K miles, that's less than 9K/year. This ride is just hitting its stride. Fuel economy? A wallet-friendly 21 mpg city/29 mpg highway. This Renegade is in excellent condition with a clean CARFAX. No surprises here. Loaded with factory features and full of personality, it's the perfect mix of fun and function. Don't settle for ordinary. Come test drive this gem before it's gone. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.